Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to share with you the best strategy to send large amounts on Cash App. It's going to be a quick video. We're not going to waste much time at all. So let's get straight into it. So the best strategy to send large amounts on Cash App is preparation, verification, and incremental transfers. First, ensure that your account is fully verified to handle larger limits. Confirm the recipient's cash tag, phone number, or email carefully to prevent misdirected payments. If possible, break the total amount into smaller consecutive transfers to reduce risk and avoid triggering account reviews. Check your funding source and balance beforehand and enable all security features like PIN or biometric confirmation. Keep records of the transaction in case verification or support is needed later on. Thoughtful planning and cautious execution makes sending large amounts safer and more reliable. That's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, comment, share, and subscribe for more helpful financial insights. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.